can't express my feeling right now. I don't know what to say. Here are all of your travel essentials. Okay, so I think today I'm gonna get my camera, the camera I wanted to buy from so long. So the camera I wanted to buy is Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Now let me tell you the backstory behind it. Okay, so I wanted to get this camera on 6th of March, which is my YouTube channel's birthday. But then I thought ki let's just not force it, jab aana hoga tab aayega. But I was determined ki I have to buy the camera within this year, within this month actually. So this camera suddenly, I don't know why, कुछ हफ्ते पहले भी ये ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल थी, बट रिसेंटली अमेजोन एंड कैनन की वेबसाइट पे ये कैमरा अवेलेबल नहीं थी बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजन, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. अमेजोन पे इट वाज अवेलेबल बट इसका प्राइस था 1 लाख समथिंग. लाइक इसका एक्चुअल प्राइस था 43,000 और 44,000, आई एग्जैक्टली डोंट रिमेंबर, बट वो बढ़ के हो गया था 1 लाख. कैन यू इमेजिन दैट?
आर यू कॉमेडी मी?
एनीवे, सो मुझे वैसे भी ऑनलाइन नहीं खरीदनी थी. आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट दिस ऑफलाइन फ्रॉम स्टोर्स बिकॉज फर्स्ट ट्रस्ट इश्यूज, सेकेंड ऑफलाइन खरीदने से चीपर हो जाता. सो दोज आर द reasons. Sorry, I'm so much panicking. I'll tell you why. Okay, so I went out yesterday to do some walk and then I thought कि let's just go to the electrical, मतलब कैमरा वैमरा जहाँ पे रखते हैं उन सब स्टोर्स में मैं जाती and I'll just wanted to see the camera live. मुझे हाथ पे लेके देखना था कि कैसा क्या है. I mean I know everything like the features and all. मतलब मुझे live देखनी थी, as simple as that. But guess what? I actually did not went to the stores. I called the stores and asked them if the camera is available. But one store said कि camera available नहीं है, and second store said कि G7 की, मतलब G series की, Canon की G series की कोई भी कैमरा अभी मैन्युफैक्चर ही नहीं हो रहा है. I was so shocked. Then I called so many stores and they said the same thing. वो कैमरा किसी भी स्टोर में अवेलेबल नहीं था जिस स्टोर में मैंने कॉल की थी. And I was so sad from yesterday क्योंकि I wanted this camera so bad. मुझे यही कैमरा चाहिए था because this camera is very compact. It's so small. You can keep it in your bag. Even you can keep it in your pocket अगर pocket थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बड़ा हुआ तो. And it's actually less heavier than DSLRs but quality इसकी DSLR की तरह ही है. So I did not wanted to get a DSLR just because it's not compact, and DSLR खरीदी तो I have to carry it in a individual bag and you know I make vlogs तो I have to hold the camera like this and DSLRs बहुत भारी होते हैं तो हाथ में दर्द करने लगे. मतलब I did not wanted to get the DSLR, मतलब DSLR I wanted to get this specific camera because I loved the features. So I had two options. Either I have to wait till it gets back in stock or I can get an iPhone. iPhone की कैमरा की क्वालिटी, उसकी वीडियो क्वालिटी, I loved it. But I just wanted to get a camera because कैमरा से वो प्रोफेशनल वाली फीलिंग आती है जो फ़ोन से नहीं आती है, and I wanted that प्रोफेशनल वाली फीलिंग. That's why I was so sad कि वो कैमरा नहीं मिल रही है एंड आई कैन नॉट वेट. मुझे वो कैमरा मार्च में ही खरीदना था. एनी हाउ दैट्स द होल स्टोरी. सो व्हाट हैपेंड टुडे इज आई वाज सिटिंग एंड देन आई सडनली थॉट कि लेट्स जस्ट कॉल ऑल द स्टोर्स, ऑल द कैनन स्टोर्स विद इन कोलकाता एंड आई आस्क देम इफ द कैमरा इज अवेलेबल और नॉट. अगर मतलब बाई चांस किसी भी स्टोर पे अवेलेबल होती तो मैं चली जाती. एंड गेस व्हाट, द फर्स्ट स्टोर आई कॉल्ड वो हमारे घर से ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं है. तो द गाय सेड येस द कैमरा इज अवेलेबल बट ओनली वन प्लेस. आई इंस्टेंटली कॉल्ड माई डैड एंड आस्क हिम कि वो अभी घर आ सकते हैं कि नहीं, मतलब घर नहीं, वहाँ पे स्टोर पे आ सकते हैं कि नहीं. माई डैड सेड कि ही वॉज इन द ऑफिस ऑब्वियसली, सो ही सेड कि लेट्स जस्ट सी कि मैं अपने काम खत्म करके कब आ सकता हूँ. आई कैन एक्चुअली गो टू द स्टोर्स ऑल बाय माई सेल्फ बट आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू go to the stores all by myself because first it's a huge thing. Okay, it's a huge thing. I'm buying a freaking camera and I don't want to do this alone. Okay, I want my parents to be with me. And second, I have the total amount जो भी मतलब कैमरा का प्राइस है. आई हैव द टोटल अमाउंट बट आई डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड द इंटायर अमाउंट इन जस्ट वन गो. सो आई वांट टू डू दिस ऑन क्रेडिट कार्ड एंड क्रेडिट कार्ड के बारे में थोड़ा सा मुझे कम ज्ञान है. सो आई नीड द हेल्प ऑफ माई डैड. सो दैट्स वाई आई आस्क हिम टू कम एंड yeah, now let's see what happens. I don't know if I'm gonna get the camera or not but I'm super tense right now कि वो कैमरा अगर बिक गई तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. So fingers crossed. Yeah, I will update you guys later
that day.
Guys, it's here. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the box of the camera. इसमें अभी कैमरा नहीं है, कैमरा मैंने अलग रखी है. But this is the box. It feels so great कि कुछ घंटे पहले भी मैं इस कैमरा के लिए तड़प रही थी literally. When I was buying the camera, I couldn't vlog because I was so much panicking and I just still can't believe. Let me show you the camera. I just can't express my feeling right now. Just holding the camera, I want it from so long. It couldn't have possible without you guys because without your support मैं इस जगह पे नहीं पहुंचती. मुझे इतने brand collaborations नहीं मिलते and YouTube से भी पैसे नहीं आते. Thank you so much guys for supporting me and I don't know what to say. And this camera is so good. By the way, I also bought this tripod. I ordered it from Amazon yesterday and ये आज के अंदर ही आ गया था, which is great. It's from Digitech. I will link it down below in the description box. Video quality, the picture quality is so good. Also, if you have any questions regarding this camera, you can ask me in the comment section. Anyway, so let me switch on this camera. And wait. So I'm filming from my camera right now. You can flip the screen right like this and now I am filming with my new camera. It feels so good like holding it like this just the way I want it. Feels so professional and all. By the way, इसका price था 41,000 with the discount obviously. Discounted price है ये, इसका actual price नहीं है. And the memory card was not included. उसको मुझे अलग से खरीदना पड़ा and it was 64 GB. I got the 64 GB. It was for around 1500 rupees and इस बॉक्स में एक्चुअली ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ बैटरी का चार्जर है. दैट्स इट. अगेन थैंक यू so much guys. Thank you so much for motivating. Thank you so much for supporting. Just can't believe I got a freaking camera. So huge. It was one of my goals for this year. I am so grateful to each and every one of you guys. I wish I could hug you individually and give you guys a sunflowers individually because I love sunflowers. You guys know that already and you guys are my sunflowers. Hey guys, so finally today I am testing the camera outside. Like I have tested the camera before on my terrace, but today I am here at Eco Park, which is a very famous place in Kolkata. So I just thought of let's just vlog here. So I took my camera out for the first time and I don't know what to say. I am so happy with the autofocus. Also say hi to my pimple. Anyway, so this is my outfit. Today I'm gonna trim my hair before actually coloring it. So I was thinking to color my hair because let me show you my hair. So this is my hair situation. By the way, I have bleached here. I know it's not even, but yeah, I don't know why I did that. But anyway, so this is my hair situation right now. नीचे वाला part जो bleach था already पहले से, it's kind of visible right now and it looks really bad and weird. I don't like this color at all. So I was thinking to color my hair. I was not looking for a vibrant highlighting color. I was looking for a very subtle color to at least cover this bleached part and also gives it a nice like unique effect. So yeah, I'll talk about that later. But first I need to trim my hair. This is my go-to task. I do this in every 2 to 3 months, trimming my hair. So I'm gonna fast forward this process because I have already showed it to you guys in my previous videos. So yeah. Okay, so as you saw, I am done trimming my hair, but I know you can barely notice any difference because I have cut a very little amount of it because I did not want it to trim too much because I'm going on a trip very soon. You guys already know that by the title. So yeah, I just trimmed very little amount. So that's that. Now I was thinking not to color my hair today. I'll do it tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Let's see. Now I am going to go and take my shower because I am super sweaty right now and super smelly. It's so hot in here. So yeah, now I'm gonna go and take my shower. So to wash my body, I will be using this Mamaearth Upton body wash with the goodness of turmeric and saffron. This has been my absolute favorite because of so many reasons. The first reason is obviously the fragrance. I mean, oh my god guys, it's so refreshing. It instantly brightens and freshens up your mood, especially after a long sweaty summer day. I use this and it just heats differently. It has this beautiful creamy texture with walnut beads which gently exfoliates your body, removes impurities from the upper layer of your skin. Turmeric protects your skin from sun damage, gives your skin an instant glow. Saffron soothes the skin while adding natural radiance. It lathers beautifully onto your skin, deeply nourishes, removes dead skin cell, moisturizes your body, makes it brighter, glowing, healthy, soft and supple. And this is gender neutral and suitable for all skin types. And after taking bath using it, it feels so good. Like the smell, it's so divine, so heavenly. I feel so fresh actually, and the smell stays for so long. They have so many variants in their body wash, including this vitamin C body wash with the goodness of vitamin C and honey. It deeply cleanses and brightens your skin. All the Mamaearth products are free from harmful chemicals and they are made of all natural ingredients. Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant, and they will send you the exact geolocation, the picture and the species of the plant. Use my code PAUL2022 to get a 20% discount at their website mamaearth.in. Mamaearth products are available on Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. Mamaearth has also launched their official app. Users get early access to sales and will get extra discounts. All the links are given in my description box, so don't forget to check them out. Hello, so today is 3rd of March. Sorry, April. Why do I keep saying March? Anyway, so today I just received some parcels from Amazon. So those were basically I ordered from Amazon for my trip to the hills for the first time, and I was thinking to start packing my bag from today. I will start it धीरे धीरे से just to make sure कि मैं last minute पे कुछ भूल ना जाऊँ. But thankfully I'm super organized and I have like made a list and categorized it like medicines हो गया, essentials हो गया, makeup हो गया, and outfits के लिए I have made separate lists. So I always do this and this makes my work so much easier. Anyway, so I got a bunch of things like travel essentials. So I thought of sharing with you guys. It would be a mini travel essential haul. So yeah, let's start. So the very first thing I have got is this pouch. Is this makeup pouch. This is the color. It's so pretty and it's quite big. And इसमें बहुत कुछ आ जाएगा आपका. And I don't do that much makeup, so मेरे makeup के हिसाब से तो सब बिल्कुल आराम से बहुत easily fit हो जाएगा. It has this one compartment and this another, and opposite side पे भी it has another 2 compartments. I will link everything in a description box. So the next thing I have got is this water bottle. So it's a steel water bottle, nothing much to talk about it. And I guess it's 900 ml, and again it's in this pink color because I'm obsessed with pink. The next thing I have got are this empty travel essential bottles. These are from Miniso, by the way. These are so convenient when you're traveling because you don't have to take the full size bottles of your cream, your body lotion and etc etc. Skincare के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ आपको लेना होता है, so you can use this bottles for that. The next thing I have got is this bag to hold all the empty bottles and makeup in one place, so that मैं जब भी इसे open करूँ सब मुझे एक साथ मिल जाए. And the plus point, it can hold so many things. It has so many compartments. Let me show you the inside of the bag. This is how the bag looks like. As you can see, I have put the empty bottles like this so that you can understand. So यहाँ पे compartment है. Then there is this compartment, and there is these compartments, and there is another big compartment here. You can hang it just like this, and voila, here are all of your travel essentials. So isn't it so much convenient and really good investment? Lastly, I have got power bank. It's from MI, and it's this really convenient, really compact, really small power bank. It's a fast charger. My phone's battery was on 66% and literally 15 minutes के अंदर 90% हो गया था charge इसकी वजह से. So it works really great for me. Though I don't know कि कितना टिकेगा, but let's see, let's hope for the best. And also इसके साथ ये केबल भी आया था. So these are the more or less things that I have got for this trip. And also I have got some other things too, like clothing items हो गया, footwears हो गया. I will make another Amazon haul video for that. I think that video will go live before this video, so I will definitely link it in my description box as well as on the I button. So now I'm gonna go and I have to shoot one YouTube video, and then I think I will start packing my bag from today. And also I will color my hair today or maybe tomorrow. Let's see. मैंने अभी तक कलर नहीं किया है. finally today I'm gonna color my hair. So let's start. Okay, so I'm finally done coloring, but it was so messy. Like, I messed up so bad. This is my situation right now. There is color everywhere, on my legs, on the floor, my face, like my neck, everywhere literally. If someone wants vibrant color, you have to wait for like 45 minutes. So I'm gonna wait for 1 hour. So yeah, I will see you after I am done washing my hair, or I will see you with the final results.
3 days later.
So this is my hair situation right now. I have mixed feeling about this. Like, it's actually looking good in sunlight. Like, मैं जब बाहर निकल रही हूँ ये बहुत खूबसूरत दिख रही है. Like the way I exactly wanted it. I did not want those like एकदम proper वाला highlight, like too much out there. I did not want that. I wanted something like this, like very subtle and all. So it's not bad. It's good. Like, I kind of like it. I am going outside, it's looking perfect. Let me show you how it's actually looking in the sunlight. And yeah, what do you guys think of this hair color? Do let me know in the comment section down below. I am ending this vlog right here. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.